Hi guys, it is Hardware Set Info channel, and today I will show you how set mobile data limits on your Motorola Moto E22. To do that, in the first step we must turn on our setting, where we choose first option, network and internet, and there click second option, mobile network. Now we have data warming and limit. And there we can set our data mobile limit, but by switch on this option and confirm all by OK. There we have our data limit, and we can choose maybe 5 in gigabyte on megabyte. Okay, 5 is okay. And there we can choose data warming, also in megabyte or gigabyte. And the last is mobile data usage size. We press the date of each month. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!